This last one we'll look at in this video is signal.h, and we do a pound include of signal. What this allows us to do is to catch some signals that happen before the operating system gets a hold of them. For example, an abort. If a sig abort comes into us, or the abort function is called, we can grab it before the abort occurs and possibly do some things, clean up, close some files, stuff like that, and get out cleanly. If we have a floating point exception, maybe a divide by zero, something like that, we don't want the operating system to have to deal with that. We can deal with it inside the program. Illegal function images are illegal instructions, which you're going to be hard-pressed to produce in today's environment. An interrupt is usually a Control-C or something from the outside world trying to interrupt our program. We can either ignore it or we can do something with it. Segment violation, that's stepping over the end of an array or trying to write to memory that we don't have access to, that we're not allowed to go to. Again, we can catch that before the operating system shuts us down. And if the OS is trying to terminate us, we can decide on some other things, writing log entries, whatever else we may want to do before we, in fact, terminate. It's done with a signal call, and you put one of these, what you're looking for, the signal, and then this is a function that you have already created. This is the address of that function, which is just the name of it. Remember, this structure with the parens around the asterisk func name is a pointer to it, and then any values that need to be passed to that, maybe from the environment that we're currently in, we can pass some data over to this function, and it's going to clean up or handle floating points, interrupts, whatever this function needs to do. This is a callback. This thing is very dependent on the implementation and the capabilities of your operating system. So it's best if you want to play with signals and try to catch some things and really get into how it works, look at your signal.h that's in your includes, and there will be other signals in there. These are just the basic ones. There will be other ones that your operating system may throw to you at one time or another. So you can check your particular implementation. So that's a little more of the standard library. And we'll be moving right along to some more of the standard library.